2024 to each and every one of you. I wanted to reconnect with you. Now, granted, these live broadcasts aren't anywhere near as exciting as when I go through a house that could more than likely be condemned at any minute. I know you guys love the photos of the destruction and all of that, which I thoroughly enjoy. But I think it's also important that I do these live things every once in a while so that I can keep you up to date with what's going on in real estate if you're interested. Most people, even if you're not buying or selling a house right now, are curious as to what the value is of your home or knowing what's going to happen moving forward this year with real estate, just from an investment standpoint. So I want to give you just a little bit of updating as far as what's going on right now for 2024, and how you can take advantage of it if you're a buyer or seller. So if you are watching this and you live in the Minneapolis St. Paul metro area, you have questions, as always, hit me up, Tom Summers, Coldwell Banker, or share this with somebody that might benefit from it. Uh, it's been very slow for the last 4 months. Now, I've sold 3 houses in January. So my spring is somewhat started, but in a very slow fashion, and I'll get to that in a minute. But the last 4 months were very quiet because the interest rates got up as high as I think 8.25. They've dropped. And I'm going to tell you right now, it is an election year. And one thing I've learned in my 20 plus years of experience in real estate is whenever it's an election year, especially presidential, all of the problems seem to magically disappear by the time it's time to vote. So you'll see, and you're already seeing gas prices come down. Interest rates are supposed to start coming down. I've noticed a little bit of a change as of late. You're looking at, let's just for argument's sake, say 6.5% right now. So you can for sure get under 7, which is well over a point better than what it was 2 months ago. But the thing that I'm not sure about, or what I question, is where are we going with this? What is the tipping point for the industry as a whole? Meaning, when will the interest rates come down enough that all of a sudden the buyers are freaking out, they jump back in, and now all of a sudden we have multiple offers? Because you're going to want to time this on both sides of the fence. If you're a buyer, you're better off going out and shopping now with interest rates a little bit higher, finding a home that you're not in multiple offers on, negotiating the best deal you can. And then once the rates drop, even though it's going to cost you another 5 grand or so, you're still better off refinancing it to a much lower rate, saving a bunch of money every month on your payment, than waiting to get back into the multiple offer situation where everything explodes and all of a sudden you're in competition with a bunch of people. So as a buyer in 2024, you want to get in before that rate hits whatever that magic number is. And that's, I don't know. If I had to guess, I would say once it gets into the fives or the low fives, that's when people are going to jump in. Now, whether that happens in 2 weeks or 6 months, we don't know. But that's part of watching the market. Also, too, right now we're in the low point of the year, at the end of the year into the new. So for those of you that are starting to look at it, there's no choices, there will be. Just be patient and wait, because the houses will start to come on the market. I usually notice a big upturn in mid-February. Just be aware that that'll happen. Now, as a homeowner, will you see an increase in value this year? Yeah. If the interest rates come down low enough, it's going to be just like it was a couple of years ago. That's my prediction, that we'll get a bunch of people jumping in, and we'll be in multiple offer situations, and that's going to be a whole other thing to navigate. Lastly, for you sellers, when's the right time to put the house on the market? I would argue right now it's not. I think that we're close, but again, it has a lot to do with the interest rates. You want to be on right at the cusp of the interest rates dropping. So that's part of having a relationship with someone like myself, where we can talk about this and come up with a solution and a strategy for you. Yes, it's 2 to 3 weeks away, but I don't know for sure. I will keep you updated. And what's going to get the market moving? I just give you a little bit more than a 30-second, just to give you a little bit more information. So as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Please share this with anyone you think might find value in it. And also, please, if you follow me on Facebook or if you subscribe on YouTube, then you'll know about all of these videos as they come. I'll be doing a bunch of short little ones like this on Reels on Facebook as well as YouTube over the coming 3 days. So if you want snippets of something else, that's there for you. I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic week and take care of yourselves. Hopefully, we'll see each other sooner rather than later.